Hey, you guys! Welcome to my channel. I am living your best life. I am LaTersa Blakely. We are back with another video. So today's topic is all about self-confidence, how to boost your confidence. So if you are new to my channel, welcome. So glad to have you here. But today's topic is all about how you feel about yourself, how to boost that confidence, because we all know whatever you think about yourself, that's what's going to replay out in your life. So let's jump right into this. Make sure you hit that like button if something I say resonates with you. Make sure you also subscribe to this channel. Hit that subscribe button. Make sure you turn on your notifications so that you will be the first one to get the goods on when I drop some new videos. Okay, so the first thing you want to do in order to boost your confidence, and yes, I'm in between jobs today, so doing a little laundry, getting the house a little cleaned up here. So anyway, I want you guys to know that all is well, and it's going to be well. Only thing that happens is sometimes life happens, and you know, sometimes things can happen and mess your self-worth, your self-confidence up. But today's video, prayerfully, it is going to get you moving right back in the right direction. So let's jump right into it. You guys know I always have my notes because I will be rambling. So the first thing you want to do is, in order to boost your confidence, change your routine. Sometimes you get caught up in just doing things the same old. And if you're like me, you get bored really quickly. Say for instance, you always drive on the same route every day. Sometimes you want to switch it up. Sometimes you may wake up in the morning and you do the same thing. You say your affirmations. Maybe you want to get up and listen to some listen to some gospel music or jazz or whatever kind of music you like. Listen to that, get your mind flowing in the right direction, because again, however way you start your day is how you want to end your day, and your day is going to go throughout the day. So change up your routines. And then number two is be kinder and gentler to yourself. You know, you wouldn't say certain things like, oh, I always mess up, or I'm so dumb. You wouldn't say that to your children. So start speaking to yourself really basically like you're a child, because you don't want anybody else talking bad to you. So why are you doing the same exact thing to yourself? We're all human. We're going to make mistakes. And I always have to say this, we all have a past, but here is the now. See, the trick of the enemy is, and y'all, I broke my nail this morning, but anyway, the trick of the enemy is he don't have anything new. He only keep throwing up the same old mess. Like at some point you got to get really straight in the face of the devil and say, look, I know you don't have no new tricks. I know you don't have anything new to say, but anyway, my past is just what it is. It does not define me. It is not who I am. I had to go through that in order to get to the woman or the man that I am today. You got to start standing up for yourself and stop being so hard on yourself. You made mistakes, and if you keep living, honey, you're going to make some more mistakes. Give yourself some grace. Start talking to God and give yourself some grace. Once he's forgiven you, and I know this is all off the top, but once he's forgiven you, leave that stuff in the past. Leave all that pain and hurt, and I'm talking to myself as well. Leave all that pain and hurt in the past where it is. Because if not, you're going to corrupt your future, your present right now. You are an amazing human being. You are absolutely enough. Everything that you need, I keep telling you, it's already here. You just need to tap into it. So be softer and kinder to yourself. And then number three is focus on the things that you're good at. Stop beating yourself up about things that you can't do. A lot of you are saying, well, I can't cook like such as, boo. Everybody can't cook. And just because you can't cook, that don't mean you can't learn how to cook. You're not less of a woman because you don't know how to cook. I mean, I'm so grateful that I had a mom that taught me early on, and I'm trying to pass that on to my baby girl, you know, how to cook certain things, how to keep a house clean, you know, all of that. But that doesn't make you less of a woman because you don't know how to do it, because anything can be learned. Anything can be taught. Honey, next time you go to church, get you one of them prayer mothers, get you one of the mothers in the church and pull them to the side and say, hey, ma'am, I'm struggling. I want to learn how to cook, but I don't know where. It's so many cookbooks out here. And then let me just say this. This is the new millennium. It's places like HelloFresh that can deliver meals to you with every ingredient that you need. It's like your cookbook at your doorstep. HelloFresh is something I used a while ago and gonna start back using because I get bored with the same types of recipes. So if you're like me and you want to try new things, you can learn how to cook right there in your house. You can learn how to cook right here on YouTube channel. So don't let anybody tell you because you can't cook and you don't know how to do certain things at the house. That does not make you less of a woman. But what it can do is motivate you to learn. It's always a way to learn something. You can learn and be the best woman that you possibly be. And you can believe in yourself and know that you are a child of the King. And here's the thing. When God made you, he didn't make no mess. He didn't just throw something up together. He didn't just say, well, let me just create LaTersa. Let me just create Kim. Let me just create Sam. He didn't do that. He took his time and knitted you together while you was even in your mom's womb. While before your mom and dad ever had their little thing going on, he already knew how many hairs, a strand of hair you was gonna have on your head, what color eyes you gonna have. Listen, you better start falling in love with yourself while you sitting up here pouting and waiting on other people to pat you on the back. Cause listen, that may not ever happen. So you gotta understand at the end of the day, you have to focus on what you're good at. And if it's something you can change within your power, go learn a new skill. Go learn or take a new class. I'm telling you, get you some new hobbies. Start focusing on things that you are good at. That'll motivate you to learn new things. So I hope you got that. I know I was rambling a little bit, but I felt led to say that. And then number 4 on how to boost your confidence and how to believe in yourself again is get around people who has your best interest at heart. And I know that's hard. That's easier said than done because once you get to a certain age, you ain't in college no more. You don't meet people every day. You ain't in high school no more. You don't see people on the regular. But whatever you enjoy doing, go do more of that and you'll meet some like-minded people. I'm telling you from experience, it works, you guys. So get around people who want to see you do good. Don't be hanging around negative Nancy. Nancy ain't got nothing good going on. She always gossiping about somebody else's business. You know why? Because she ain't got no business of her own. See, when you so caught up in working on yourself and building your self-esteem and working on some flaws or some things that you got going on, when you got goals and you're trying to secure the bag, you don't have time to be trying to sweat what other people are doing. You don't have time to be gossiping about what somebody else is doing. That stuff is petty. It's time I see when you're a secure and confident woman, you don't have time to sit around gossiping about somebody. You're too busy trying to bring them up. You're too busy trying to up level yourself. You don't have time for the petty stuff. And then the last and final thing is speak affirmations over your life daily. Talk to yourself like you're in the future self. You know, have whatever words you come out of your mouth, you either speak in life or you speak in death. You got to decide which one you want because everything you're speaking is creating your reality. So if I was you, I would start speaking things I want to see instead of things I don't want to see. You have to almost like program yourself to say, you know what? I do deserve to have an amazing life. I do deserve to be happy. I do deserve to be with an amazing man who loves me unconditionally, who's faithful. Yes, you have to tell yourself that every day. And then too, make your request known to God. He already knows, but he loves it when his kids come to him and ask him for things. And here's the thing, God knows what you want, but he loves it better when you come to him like a child. Like I tell people all the time, I'm God's favorite daughter. I'm like one of the kids in the candy store when you start talking about how much God loves me, because I know there was a point in my life where I thought God was so upset with me, so disappointed in me because of things that had happened to me in my past, and a lot of things that I came to realize that happened to me, it wasn't really even my fault, but I took it on such as if it was. So that was a lot of burden too. So to release that, it feels freaking amazing. And just to know that I have a father who loves me, not just my earthly father, because I'm a daddy's girl to the heart. Y'all know I'm a daddy's girl. Well, if you don't know, you know now. But I know my heavenly father loves me and he wants me to have the absolute best. So that is my spiel. I hope something I said blesses you today. I hope that something I says put a spark in your mind that, hey, you know what? I can do this. With the help of God and this channel, I can do this. So make sure you give me a like if something I said resonate with you. You like this video, share this on all your social media sites. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so that you will be a part of our family. Our family is growing. And also I want you to hit that notification button so that you will be the first one to get the goods on when I drop a new video. So God bless. Remember, you are enough, and every freaking stinking thing that you need, it's already on the inside of you. So God bless, and I will talk to you soon. Mwah.